Hi, Rana here from Technical SEO Team Parliament. Today we will learn how to fetch the emails, how to scrap the emails from a WhatsApp chat, from a long conversation. I have a WhatsApp conversation in the TXT file. It's about a 684 KB file, and so I have converted this file into a HTML page. How to do this? Let me show you. Just add this HTML and body tag in the start and this HTML and body tag in the at the end. How to use this tag? You can add HTML and body in the start. Here's your content, and at the end add a slash. First close the body, then close the HTML, and save this file as a file.html. You can change the name, but keep the extension .html. So open this file in the Chrome and copy the code from video description, and in the Chrome right click and click on the inspect, go to console, paste the code and press enter. Look, here you have all email addresses used in this on this page. It's a simple process to fetch all emails from the web page. You can fetch from any web page, not only in the WhatsApp txt file. Tap the like button and subscribe the channel if you want more videos like this. Thank you.